Welcome to our channel. If you want to get a crypto debit card to spend your cryptocurrency anywhere, follow these step-by-step instructions to apply for and use a crypto card. Step 1. Research available crypto debit cards including Coinbase card, Crypto.com, Visa card, Gemini credit card, or Binance card based on fees, rewards, and availability in your region. Step 2. Choose a card that aligns with your needs considering factors like cashback rates, supported cryptocurrencies, monthly fees, ATM withdrawal limits, and card design. Step 3. Create an account with your chosen crypto platform if you don't already have one. Complete identity verification by providing government-issued ID and proof of address. Step 4. Navigate to the card section in your account dashboard and click Apply Now or Order Card to begin the application process. Step 5. Fill out the card application, providing required information such as your residential address, phone number, and additional identity verification if needed. Step 6. Wait for card approval, which typically takes a few minutes to a few days depending on the provider and your verification status. Step 7. Receive your physical card in the mail within 7 to 14 business days. Some providers offer virtual cards immediately that you can add to digital wallets. Step 8. Activate your card through the app by following the instructions, then load it with cryptocurrency from your wallet to start spending anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.